LG 75-inch QNED 82T 4K Smart TV, a next-generation viewing experience. Introduction. Experience a whole new level of home entertainment with the LG 75-inch QNED 82T 4K Smart TV. Powered by LG's advanced quantum nanocell technology, this TV brings together superior color accuracy, deep contrast, and a wide color gamut, ensuring every frame is rich and realistic. With a massive 75-inch Ultra HD 4K display, Alpha 5 AI processor 4K Gen 7, HDR10, and WebOS 24, this TV is designed to deliver immersive visuals and smart functionality. Whether you're a movie buff, gamer, or sports enthusiast, the LG QNED 82T is built to redefine your entertainment experience. Display and picture quality. Cutting-edge 4K display. The LG QNED 82T features an advanced 4K Ultra HD panel, 3840 by 2160 pixels, that combines quantum dot and nanocell technology. This enhances color accuracy, brightness, and contrast, producing vibrant, true-to-life images. Edge-lit backlight and local dimming. Equipped with an edge-lit backlight and local dimming technology, the TV improves contrast by adjusting brightness in different screen areas. This results in deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and more detailed visuals. 60 Hz refresh rate with AI motion handling. With a 60 Hz native refresh rate, the TV ensures smooth motion clarity, making it ideal for casual gaming and streaming. The AI-powered motion handling enhances fast-moving scenes, reducing motion blur. Advanced picture processing. Alpha 5 AI processor 4K Gen 7, enhances picture clarity, sharpness, and upscales lower-resolution content to 4K quality visuals. AI upscaling automatically improves non-4K content by sharpening details and refining colors. Dynamic tone mapping adjusts brightness and contrast dynamically for improved HDR performance. AI brightness control optimizes brightness based on ambient lighting conditions for an enhanced viewing experience. Filmmaker mode preserves original cinematic settings for a true movie theater experience at home. HDR support, compatible with HDR10 and HLG, hybrid log gamma, offering a wider range of colors, enhanced contrast, and richer detail. Gaming features. For gaming enthusiasts, the LG QNED 82T offers several next-gen gaming features. Gig mode improves HDR gaming visuals for a realistic gaming experience. Game optimizer and dashboard, quick access to game settings, reducing input lag and optimizing the display for gaming. Auto low latency mode, ALLM, automatically switches to low latency mode when gaming, ensuring fast response times. These features make the TV a great choice for casual gamers who want immersive visuals with minimal lag. Smart TV and AI features. WebOS 24, a seamless smart experience. Powered by LG's WebOS 24, this smart TV provides a user-friendly interface, seamless navigation, and access to thousands of apps. Smart features. Works with Apple AirPlay 2, easily stream content from Apple devices. ThinQ AI and intelligent voice recognition, control your TV with voice commands via Google Assistant and Alexa. Magic remote control built-in, navigate effortlessly using LG's motion-sensitive remote with point-and-click functionality. Web browser and family settings, browse the internet and set family-friendly content restrictions. Room-to-room sharing, stream TV content to another LG-compatible device. With LG ThinQ integration, this AI-powered smart TV transforms into an intelligent home hub, connecting to smart devices for seamless home automation. Audio performance. Immersive 20 watts sound with AI audio enhancements. The LG QNED 82T delivers an enhanced audio experience with 2.0 channel speaker system, powerful 20 watts audio output for rich and clear sound. AI Sound Pro, virtual 9.1.2 up mix, creates a multi-dimensional sound experience. Dolby Atmos support, provides cinema-like immersive surround sound. Clear Voice Pro, enhances dialogue clarity with automatic volume leveling. LG SoundSync and Bluetooth Surround Ready, connect external LG soundbars for wireless surround sound. For an enhanced home theater experience, pair the TV with LG's soundbars and audio systems. Connectivity and ports. Multiple connectivity options for seamless entertainment. The LG QNED 82T supports a variety of connectivity options. 3 HDMI ports, HDMI 2.0, eARC, ULM support, ideal for gaming consoles, streaming devices, and sound systems. 2 USB ports, USB 2.0, play media files directly from USB storage. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, fast and stable wireless connectivity for streaming and device pairing. Ethernet input, 1x LAN port, wired internet connection for buffer-free streaming. Optical digital audio out, SPDIF, connect to home theater systems. RF antenna input, 2x ports, access cable and satellite TV channels. With multiple connectivity options, the TV ensures seamless integration with gaming consoles, sound systems, and streaming devices. Design and build quality. Premium and modern aesthetics. Ultraslim 30.9mm profile, sleek, elegant design with minimal bezels. VESA mount compatibility, 400 by 300mm, supports wall mounting for a modern setup. Lightweight yet sturdy build, weighs 33 kg without stand, 34 kg with stand. Adjustable stand, 1349mm width by 359mm depth, provides a stable base for tabletop placement. The one-slate minimalist design makes this TV a stylish centerpiece for any living space. Power efficiency and energy consumption. Power supply, AC 100-240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz standby power consumption, under half a watt. Eco mode and AI energy optimization for power savings. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, this TV minimizes power consumption while delivering top-notch performance. Accessories included: Magic Remote MR24, point-and-click navigation power cable, detachable remote control batteries, AAX2 final verdict. Why choose the LG 75-inch QNED QNED 82T 4K Smart TV? The LG QNED 82T 75-inch 4K Smart TV is a feature-packed, premium television that combines stunning visuals, powerful AI processing, immersive sound, and smart features into one impressive package. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming content, this AI-powered TV offers an exceptional home entertainment experience. Key highlights: white check mark, 4K display with AI-enhanced visuals. White check mark, HDR10 and local dimming for vibrant contrast. White check mark, WebOS 24 with AI ThinQ for smart entertainment. White check mark, Dolby Atmos and AI Sound Pro for immersive audio. White check mark, gaming ready with Game Optimizer and White check mark, sleek, modern design with slim bezels. Light bulb, upgrade your home entertainment with the LG QNED 82T today. Rocket.